Okay, so I actually wanted to throw this into the course after the fact because I thought I'd have my book published by now, but there are lots of revisions and then there are things that you think of and, you know, holdups and things like that. So I wanted to bring you guys into this process as I am actually doing it. So the very first thing that I did, and sorry, I have lots of tabs open, but this is just again a part of that process. The very first thing that I did was I typed the book into Microsoft Word just so that I could manipulate the pictures, I could create the diagrams, I could create the tables. I could do the things with this program that I needed to do. Also, because if I used InDesign, I was kind of nervous to use it because that format is not always exportable in the way that you need to upload it to a place, especially like Kindle. So I just started typing everything out and gathering my thoughts together and what do I even want this book to look like. So I typed it into Microsoft Word, which I have a Mac. If you want Microsoft Word, you have to purchase a license separately. But it's worth it because you never know when you're going to need Microsoft Word for different things. Because we live in a Mac and PC world, and it's just very good to be adept at both. So here I have the book. Um, it looks kind of weird. I'll explain why it looks kind of weird in a second. But I typed everything in here. I mapped everything out the way that I wanted to look. So then what I did was I went over to kdp.amazon.com and I started looking through, okay, what is it that I need to do step by step? What are what do I need to do in order to be ready to publish the book?